Now I'm going to show you how to add captions to your videos like this.
10 things you should know about cats. Cats are crepuscular, which means they're most active during dawn and dusk. Cats have retractable claws, which they use for hunting and climbing.
I hope you like it, so let me show you how I do it for free, completely free of charge with Clipchamp. Like we all know, Clipchamp is a very free software that you can use and share and reshare with your friends. All you need is just to come over here and you can just go ahead and click to try for free, and you can just log in, create an account and log in, and once you log in you'll be brought into this place. Okay, so for this tutorial we're just going to create a simple video by just clicking on create a new video, and assuming I have created the video, I just want to caption it. For this you can do it in minutes, so all you need is just to click on import. You should make sure you're on the media part. You can just go ahead and import the video. You can specify wherever you have the document or you have the file. You can come to this. You can import from your browser files, okay, from phone if you have any connected. You can import from OneDrive or from Google Drive or from Dropbox, anyone that is convenient for you. For my own case, I'm going to import from my computer, so I can just navigate to wherever I have it. Assuming I have it in these downloads, and this is the video that I want to share. I want to caption, okay, generate the caption for. You can just click on create. It is just to drag and drop it into the timeline, and you can see it's been imported. You can see okay to this, and you can see automatically it's been recognized with this size because that's the size I created. It's just a YouTube short that I just created. It's a 9:16 size. So you can come to the top over here. If you want to caption it, you can click on captions, and you can see over here down here say turn on auto captions. Okay, so you can click on auto caption, and you can make sure that the language that is for free is English language usually. So you can go ahead and say turn on auto caption. So in English United States, you can just say turn on auto caption, and you can just give it some seconds. You can see now it is booting. Okay, after it's finished the booting, is going to create that caption for you automatic. So let's just give it some seconds to finish up, and then we can continue with the tutorial. All right, as you can see now, it has finished the caption. You can download the captions in .srt files if you want, or you can hide the caption if you want. But then you can see the timing. Okay, this is a transcript. You can see the timing at 00 points, at 0007 seconds, okay, at 11 seconds, at 16 seconds, and 23 seconds. You can be able to review the text that it has generated if you want to check and confirm that it is correct. But usually the AI does a good job and you don't have anything to correct as far as I can tell. So just go ahead and listen to it. So you can come down here. You see that the auto caption has been incorporated. Just play it and hear.
10 things you should know about cats. Cats are crepuscular, which means they're most active during dawn and dusk. Cats have retractable claws, which they use for hunting and climbing. Cats have a highly developed sense of...
And you can see as it is reading, you can see it highlighting the areas within the transcript and the captions that it has generated. It's very, very interesting and very nice. You can see, just listen one more time.
Hearing, and can hear frequencies up to 65,000 Hz. Cats are very clean animals and spend a significant portion of their day grooming themselves. Cats...
I think this is fantastic, and once you like what you see, you like the captions you've generated, you can just go ahead over here and export it. So to export, you can click, you can export in different quality. The very free version, you can export from 480p to 720 to 1080. So I go as far as 1080 to explore, and you can see it has just started exporting. And you can go ahead to share on all these platforms. If you've connected a YouTube channel, you can easily use it to share the video that you've just created. And if you don't want the title right now, we didn't name the project, you can select this pen sign to change it and just make it things to know about cats. Okay, and once you finish, you can click out, and it's going to save this video in this format. So you can create the video link also if you want to share with your friends or with other people. And you can see it is just rendering the process, and you have the video at the end of the rendering process. So let's wait for it to just conclude, and then we can try to play the video and have an idea into how it is being done. Okay, so the video had been downloaded. You can see it over here. You can just come over, click here to see the results, things to know about cats. You can just double click to listen to the video.
10 things you should know about cats. Cats are crepuscular, which means they're most active during dawn and dusk. Cats have retractable claws.
And I think what I like most is the fact that the audio is human-like, even though it's generated by the AI. I've made a video about how to generate this kind of voice. You can find it up here if you want, or in the description if you are interested. And I think that does it for this tutorial on how to add captions to your video using Clipchamp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.